can already tell by today's video, I'm doing another what I eat in a day. I did one of these. The last time I did it was a year ago, and that was at our old apartment, and I haven't done one since. I don't think I've done one since. I did something similar in one of my previous vlogs, but it didn't include like everything I eat throughout the day. But this time it's for more of like a, I guess for like a maternity series, pregnant series. So I'm 22 weeks. I will be 23 weeks tomorrow. And so yeah, I wanted to share with you some of the things that I have been loving while being pregnant, especially during my second trimester. My first trimester, if you guys don't know, I was really sick, and yeah, I wasn't really eating almost anything except for like sandwiches. I would just eat like sandwiches every day. So thankfully I'm out of that period and I'm just hungry now. And so yeah, I'm trying to keep it healthy. I'm not a nutritionist by any means. This is just like the stuff that I love to eat and that I feel is as healthy as I can make it. I don't know. I also try to include a lot of protein because I know while being pregnant, your body needs a lot of protein. And so I'm tired. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Sharing you guys what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and maybe even some of my favorite snacks throughout the day. So yeah, I always get started with a little coffee. This is the half caffeinato, and I believe that means it's half caffeinated. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below if you know what it means, but I do believe it's like half decaf, half not. Maybe not, but these are the ones that I've been drinking because I'm trying to cut down a little bit on my caffeine. I used to have a coffee in the morning and then a coffee in the afternoon. I no longer do that, so I really just enjoy my first cup of coffee in the morning. And then for today, getting started on breakfast, I'm going to be doing some egg whites with turkey bacon and avocado, and then I'm also going to be doing a side of oatmeal, just because usually whenever I do the egg whites and turkey bacon, I get so hungry right away. So I really try to just pack in as much healthy stuff as I can, but things like oatmeal that I know is going to like keep me full longer. So that's really the plan for breakfast. Like I said, oatmeal and some eggs. All right, so I am gonna start off with my oatmeal. For the oatmeal, I like to add in some oat milk and just kind of let that simmer a little bit. And then while I do that, I'm going to mash up half of a banana. And I don't add any sugar to my oatmeal. This banana is pretty much everything that I use as a sweetener. Then I'm going to add in some of the oatmeal into the already warm milk. And I pretty much just added 1 cup. And then while that simmers, I'm gonna add in a little bit of the banana. This is half of the banana that I mashed up. And then I'm also going to add in some cinnamon powder. And then just mix it. And then while that cooks some more, I'm going to start on the turkey bacon because that takes a long time. While my eggs cook, I'm going to be adding into my oatmeal some chia seeds. And then I'm also going to add some bananas, strawberries, peanut butter, and honey. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I actually ended up making a lot of oatmeal, but that's okay. So I have my egg whites. I ended up adding some Valentina because I like a little bit of spice. Like I said, the 2 turkey bacons, some avocado on the side, and then my delicious oatmeal and a little bit of the coffee left. I do want to say, if you guys are not oatmeal lovers, like I used to not like oatmeal, I don't know why, and this recipe just is so good, so delicious. Alright guys, so we're back for lunch, and today I decided I was going to make some delicious turkey bowls. I will either make turkey, chicken, or some kind of fish for lunch and dinner, and then just pair it with some different sides. I will either do brown rice or like a little side salad or some kind of pasta, like a healthy pasta. So yeah, today I made turkey, and I'm just gonna make some bowls. So I'm going to have a little bit of turkey. I also have some brown rice that I'm going to kind of add in, and then I also like to add in these, it's called chopped kit, and it's the avocado ranch, and it has a bunch of veggies. So it has the green leaf lettuce, it has green cabbage, red cabbage, kale, carrots, green onions. It has a little bit of cheddar cheese if you want to add, and then the corn. I don't really like to add the corn. And then my favorite thing about this is that it comes with the avocado ranch, and I love avocado ranch. And then I'm also going to add in some fresh avocado. So this is the final product. It looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. And then for drinks, at first when it was my first trimester, I was really sick, and every time I would drink water, I would actually get even more nauseous just having plain water. So I started adding these like little water infusions. This one is like just the HEB brand, but it's the strawberry watermelon, and they also have the lemonade one, which is really good, and the mango pineapple or something like that. I just add a little bit onto the water, and that's pretty much just what I've been drinking with all my meals and throughout the day. And yeah, that's pretty much it for lunch. Alright you guys, welcome to the dinner portion of the what I eat in a day. I am going to be making, I was actually really excited for this because I was craving some pasta earlier. So I was like, I'm gonna make some of the protein pasta that I bought. So it just comes in a little pack like this. It says protein bow tie pasta, and I haven't tried it, so I'm kind of excited to try it. But like I said, I've been trying to also get in a little bit extra protein since I am pregnant. I was reading up that it's important to get a little bit extra protein in, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm being lazy. I'm just going to end up mixing in some pasta sauce with the leftover turkey that I made earlier. So right now I'm really just waiting for the pasta to cook, and then I'm going to mix it in with the turkey, the tomato sauce, and then I'm gonna top it off with some cheese. So yeah, that's gonna be it for dinner, and probably have a little bit of dessert later. So I'll show you guys what I have for that. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. Alright, so this is what me and Camila are eating tonight. Like I said, it's turkey, protein pasta, a little bit of tomato sauce, cheese, and parsley, and that's pretty much it. Alright, well that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day while pregnant. Let me know if you guys want to see one during my 3rd trimester. I don't know how that's gonna go. It's probably gonna be just me eating all day. But anyways, be sure to like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you are new, and like always, I'll see you guys next time I upload. Bye!